Hello, it's Ms. Hake, and we're back again for literacy. All right, I want you to create big headings for your learner, beginning, middle, and end, and have a pretty big workspace for them to work in. We are going to take the Z words that we listen to, and you get a copy of this. Just cut them all out so that you have them and shuffle them up. So the learner is going to sort these words and put them on the heading beginning, middle, or end. And we're going to do this for Z and Y today. And going over the fact that Y is pronounced E, an E, so that's where they'll hear it. So then they can sort the words where they hear the sound beginning, middle, or end and see the sound. So that's your word sort for today for the review of Y and Z. And if you need more, you can ask the learner to pick 2 or 3 of the words from each category to reprint and make a picture of. And this week is all about getting them reading, sounding out the words, and getting more familiar about recognizing the letters in the word as well, and also hearing them. Okay, so have a beautiful time with your beginning, middle, end sort, and I will see you soon.